The Ecomoment Dual Dash Cam delivers exceptional image clarity with its combination of 4,000 pixel front and 1,080 pixel rear cameras, ensuring you can capture every important detail on the road. Its advanced GPS functionality provides precise tracking of your driving routes, speed, and location, enhancing your travel experience with additional security and peace of mind. Equipped with superior night vision, the dashcam's starlight sensor and 170-degree wide-angle lens ensure clear footage even in low-light conditions. With features like loop recording and a G sensor, the Ecomoment dashcam ensures continuous recording and automatically locks footage during sudden collisions, providing reliable safety and security. The Wi-Fi and Smart App Control feature allows easy connection to your smartphone, enabling video management and sharing directly from the app for a seamless user experience. Its easy installation and minimalist design ensure it does not obstruct your view while driving, and it comes with a generous 10-year warranty and lifetime technical support from Ecomoment.